Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start in Word with an updated, signed-in app so theme changes sync correctly. First, open Word and confirm you're signed into your Microsoft account. This ensures theme settings apply across devices. Once done, check for updates via File Account Update options. Update now so you have the latest theme controls. Make sure you understand whether you want the app interface dark or the page background darker. That distinction affects the menu choices we'll use next. Now change the interface theme. Go to File, then Options, and under General Find, personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. You select Office theme and pick black or dark gray to apply a true dark UI. This darkens ribbons, panes, and backstage. If you also want the document page to appear dark, switch to Design Page Color or use View Immersive Reader for page themes. This separates UI theme from page color so you can read with less glare, without altering printing output or document colors. Finish by restarting Word so the theme fully applies and settings sync. You should see ribbons and sidebars dark. If not, sign out and back into your account to refresh policy-based settings. Remember, changing page color is visual only. Before printing, revert page color or inspect print preview so pages print normally. If theme options are missing, run Office Repair via Control Panel or reinstall. This fixes corrupted installations that hide theme controls. That one troubleshooting step resolves most access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.